Let's see what you got, Brady. Oh, blow-by is it's knocking on this side.
Yeah, I can hear it now, but why did it come up on the
Let's do it again. Probably because the oil's a little bit thicker.